All right, guys, we got to get through 4 problems today. I'm probably going to do a video for each problem. Okay, so we've got to solve the systems. Okay, and so obviously this first one, I have 3 by 3 system to solve. Okay, so I am going to group these guys together, and I'm thinking I'm going to group the top one and the middle one together. Okay, to start off with. Okay, so I take that 2x minus 5y plus z and equals negative 3. And I'll take that negative x plus 3y plus 2z equals 9. I'll group those guys together. And I'm going to make the z go away, just like I did in class. So obviously I can multiply this top one by negative 2. Okay, so that gives me a negative 4x plus 10y minus 2z equals 6. And then just bring this one down. So negative x plus 3y plus 2z equals 9. And if you add straight down, notice the z's are going to cancel each other off. So I'm going to get a negative 5x plus 13y equals 15. Okay, and there's one of my 2 equations with only x and y in it. Okay, so let's see. I'll do the same thing with the middle one and the bottom one. Okay, so I have a negative x plus 3y plus 2z equals 9, and group that together with the bottom one. 3x minus y plus 2z equals 5. And again, I want to get rid of the z, so really all I have to do is either take the top one or the bottom one and just multiply it through by negative 1. Okay, so I'll take the top one, multiply everything by negative 1, so I get x minus 3y minus 2z equals negative 9, and bring down the bottom one. 3x minus y plus 2z equals 5. And when I add straight down, the z's go away. Okay, so I'm going to get a 4x minus 4y equals negative 4. Okay, and there is my second equation that just has x and y. Okay, so let's see, I got to solve that. Okay, group them together. Okay, so bring this guy down. Okay, and this guy obviously. Okay, so I have a negative 5x plus 13y equals 15, and a 4x minus 4y equals negative 4. Okay, again, I like to get rid of the y first. You could get rid of the x. It's not going to make any difference. So if I'm going to get rid of the y, well, I'm looking for what's the smallest number that's divisible by 13 and 4, and that would be 13 times 4. Okay, so what's that, 52? Okay, so I have to multiply here by 4 and here by 13. Okay, so I get a negative 20x plus 52y equals 60. And this will give me a 4 times 13. Ooh, I'm going to get a 52x minus 52y equals negative 52. Didn't expect that to happen. Okay, so let's see. I add straight down, and I'm going to get a 32x. These go away, equals 8. Yeah. Okay, so when I divide, I get x equals 8 over 32, which is 1/4. Okay, so let's see my solution up here. Okay, I'm going to get an ordered triple, and my first coordinate is 1/4. Okay, all right, so I'm going to find my y coordinate now, so I have to go back to either this equation or this equation. Okay, and substitute 1/4 in for x. So clearly I'm going to go to this one right here, because when I substitute in 4 times 1/4, it cancels the 4's off. So I get 4 times 1/4 minus 4y equals negative 4. So I get 1 minus 4y equals negative 4. Subtracting 1 from both sides, I get negative 4y equals negative 5. And then dividing, I get y equals positive 5/4. Okay, so my y coordinate is 5/4. Okay. All right, so I've got my x coordinate here. I've got my y coordinate. So I've got to find my z coordinate. So I want to go back up here to one of the original equations. It doesn't matter which one of the three you choose. So I'm going to choose the top one. Okay, so I have 2 times x, which is 1/4, minus 5 times y, which is 5/4, plus z equals negative 3. Okay, so 2 times 1/4, that's 1/2. This would be minus 25/4 plus z equals negative 3. And then when I go, let's see, 1/2 minus 25/4, that'd be 2/4 minus 25/4, it'd be a negative 23/4, right, plus z equals negative 3. Okay, so z is going to be a negative 3 plus the 23/4. So that is a negative 3 plus, let me see, what would that be? 5 3/4. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to get 2 3/4, which is the same as 11/4. Okay, so I'm going to use 11/4. And we've got our first system solved.